Hello, green thumbs and design lovers. Welcome back to Garden Decor Designs, your ultimate destination for everything beautiful outside the home. Before we start, we want to ask your support to make this channel grow with subscribe to this channel, leave comment, hit the like button or share this video to your friends and family. If you have ever dreamed of stepping out into a backyard filled with dancing color, vibrant life, and the gentle flutter of wings, then you are in the perfect place. Today, we are diving into some absolutely gorgeous butterfly plant ideas that will effortlessly elevate your outdoor aesthetic. We will show you how to curate a living tapestry of stunning blooms that not only look spectacular, but also invite nature's most enchanting visitors right to your doorstep. Get ready to transform your ordinary backyard into a breathtaking moving work of art. A butterfly garden is an intentionally designed landscape filled with specific nectar-rich flowers and host plants that provide food, shelter, and breeding grounds for various butterfly species throughout their life cycle. Choosing to incorporate gorgeous butterfly plants into your garden design does much more than just elevate your home's curb appeal. These beautiful, blossom-heavy plants introduce dynamic movement, texture, and a burst of seasonal colors that static garden features simply cannot replicate. Beyond the obvious visual masterpiece you'll create, you are actively supporting local ecosystems by providing vital stopover points for essential pollinators. It is the perfect blend of sustainable landscaping and high-end aesthetic design, creating a therapeutic outdoor retreat that brings joy every time you look out the window. Create a best-on-the-block, colorful garden with these gorgeous butterfly plants. These plants are irresistible to butterflies, so create a haven for these beautiful visitors that add so much to your environment. Butterflies are pollinators that carry much-needed pollen from one plant to another to help plants reproduce. If butterflies frequent your yard, you have a healthy spot that will also attract bees. Birds are also drawn to ecosystems where butterflies flock since they are a food source. Perhaps most importantly, butterflies are a welcome sight enjoyed by almost everyone who sees them, and their delicate wings and pretty colors make them unique and extraordinary creatures. These 12 colorful flowers are can't-miss additions to your yard. They are beautiful and encourage plenty of pollinators, making your garden a top spot for winged visitors to stop by and spend time. One. Anise hyssop. There are many reasons to grow anise hyssop or Agastache funiculum. It is super heat tolerant and drought tolerant. Deer and rabbits leave it alone, and it blooms for weeks in late summer. Plus, these butterfly plants also make excellent cut flowers. Grow it with black-eyed Susan for a dazzling blue and yellow combo of easy care plants. 2. Butterfly weed. Grow a butterfly weed or Asclepias tuberosa or two, and you're sure to have monarchs. The adults drink nectar from the plant's summertime orange flowers, and the caterpillars eat the plant's leaves. Grow it with lilacs, another long-blooming perennial that monarch butterflies love to visit. Add variety to your garden with other milkweeds, such as annual bloodflower or tall swamp milkweed. 3. Phlox. The phlox or Phlox paniculata bears beautiful clusters of red, pink, lavender, salmon or white blooms throughout the summer. Their lovely scent delights us as much as their nectar delights hungry butterflies. Grow it with purple coneflower. The two plants thrive in the same growing conditions and visually complement each other. Phlox can be troubled by a disease called powdery mildew. Look for disease-resistant varieties. 4. Butterfly bush. Butterfly bush or Buddleia spp. Is typically covered in butterflies all summer long. An easy care shrub, it features fragrant blue, purple, and white flowers. Grow it with Mexican sunflower. This annual's bold orange flowers look great against any butterfly bush. In parts of the United States, butterfly bush is considered invasive. Check with your local agricultural extension office before planting it or opt for one of the newer varieties that are virtually seedless. 5. Aster. A top plant for the fall garden, aster or Symphyotrichum spp. is a heavy bloomer with colorful flowers in shades of blue, purple, pink, red, and white. Aster does double duty. This fall butterfly plant's blossoms supply nectar, and pearl crescent caterpillars feed on the plant's leaves. Grow it with bloody geranium, a summer-blooming perennial that develops bright red fall foliage. It looks great with colorful aster flowers. Look for newer named varieties of asters. They're often more disease-resistant and compact. 6. Purple coneflower. If you have a sunny spot, there are many reasons to grow purple coneflower or Echinacea spp. A wide range of butterflies love sipping its nectar, and the plant is heat-tolerant and drought-tolerant. It's a perfect cut flower that blooms almost all summer long. Grow it with anise hyssop for a combo that produces pretty bouquets and tons of butterflies for weeks in summer. 7. Salvia. There's a salvia or salvia sp. for every garden. Some tall, others short. Some have blue or purple blooms, and others have red, orange, or pink flowers. While you might have trouble picking a salvia, the butterflies won't. They'll reliably flock to it every summer. Salvia May Night is shown here. Grow it with Coreopsis for a long-blooming, no-fail blue and yellow combination. 8. Lantana. Colorful lantana or lantana spp. blooms all summer in glowing shades of lavender, pink, red, orange, yellow, cream, and white. The versatile plant looks perfect in containers, beds, and borders. The butterflies will agree. Lantana is a perfect addition to your garden. Grow it with zinnia. The two look beautiful together and will lure an endless stream of butterflies to your garden. In parts of the United States, lantana is considered invasive. Check with your local agricultural extension office before planting it. 9. Pentas. An all-around garden champion, Pentas or Pentas lanceolata bears clusters of star-shaped blooms in bright shades of pink, red, and white. It loves hot conditions and holds up to drought. Plus, it works well in bird and butterfly gardens because it will attract hummingbirds and butterflies in need of a snack. Grow it with Angelonia for an easy-growing combo that looks smashing all season. 10. Passionflower. Hardy passionflower or Passiflora incarnate is a unique vine. Featuring some of the most intricate blossoms of the plant world, passionflower vines add a tropical ambience to your garden. It's also one of the best butterfly plants. A variety of them drink its nectar. Grow it with Black-Eyed Susan vine for a charming blue and yellow combo of quick-growing vines. 11. Veronica. Veronica or Veronica officinalis brightens any full-sun garden and adds an interesting texture. Its blooms provide nectar for pollinators all season long. Frequent visitors are the gray hairstreak and common sulfur butterflies. Grow it with lady's mantle to attract butterflies in spring. Veronica is invasive in some areas of the United States. Check with your local agricultural extension office before planting it. 12. Yarrow. The pungent aroma and bitter taste that make the yellow blooms of yarrow or Achillea spp. unattractive to deer have the opposite reaction with pollinators. They are highly attractive to butterflies and bees from early spring to late fall. Grow it with bee balm for a gorgeous gold and blue contrast all season. Creating a sanctuary for butterflies is one of the most rewarding design choices you can make for your home's exterior. By choosing the right mix of vibrant colors, varied heights, and nectar-rich blooms, you can easily turn an underutilized patch of lawn into a thriving, beautiful ecosystem. The sight of colorful wings floating gracefully past your patio layout is the ultimate finishing touch to a well-designed garden. With just a few simple plant additions, your backyard will become the envy of the neighborhood and a peaceful haven for both you and nature. If you love these gorgeous butterfly garden ideas and want to keep transforming your outdoor spaces, make sure to hit that subscribe button right now. Don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up and click the notification bell so you never miss our daily design inspiration here on Garden Decor Designs. Drop a comment down below letting us know which of these stunning plants you are going to add to your yard first. Thank you so much for watching, and we will see you in the next video.